Good morning, beautiful souls. Good morning, courageous souls. There has been this desire for me to host somebody and to have a conversation and talk deeper about womb wounds and mother wounds and how we can facilitate healing, especially for Tina. Abantu besifazane, inzala abantu. And I've been guided that due to the sensitivity of this subject, we should have this type of a chat or conversation in a safe space. So as a result, the chat will be happening, the conversation will be happening, but it will be a closed session. It will be a closed